Hi, welcome to my beautiful mess. This is Mary. I want to thank you for joining me today for an all-new plan with me. And today we're going to do a kind of minimalist kind of weekly spread. So we're working on my classic weekly vertical, my classic vertical planner. This is like the homestead planner. There you go. Sorry, I was trying to think of the name. And we're going to be using a few sticker books. We're going to be using colorful boxes. We're going to be using another colorful boxes. We're going to be using Bookish, and then we're going to be using one of the small sticker pads. So every now and then, this is the the black and white one. Every now and then I challenge myself to do kind of a simple minimalist kind of spread. So that's what I'm going to do this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus the planning around a theme in the Bookish sticker book, and that is these cute, adorable little plants. I'm going to be kind of focusing around them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a few of them, and I'm just going to kind of dot them around here and there. I'm going to kind of stick them here and there. And I think one more, Move them over just a little bit. Okay, so those are that's kind of like my main theme. So using that, I am going to put that off to the side. And I'm going to use the colorful boxes sticker book, which is like really well used. And I'm going to place a couple of checklist stickers. And if you have followed me for any amount of time, you know that I love checklists. I am a checklist girl. So I'm going to add a few of those. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of dive into this black and white sticker book. It's a little sticker one, but it's got some cute little designs in here. So I think I'm going to use some of these to kind of fill up some of the space. So I'm going to use, actually, I think I'm actually going to save this for, because it's a PM. I'll put it in the bottom box. There's nothing that says you have to use these bottom boxes for the evening, but that's just how I'm going to do it on this spread. And let's see here. I'm trying to find something that's kind of cute. I've used a lot more stickers in here than I actually realized. I'm going to use one of here, a little quote. Stick that in there. And then, because we need constant reminders about this right now, I'm going to do this stay positive one. Maybe I'll add this here. Then I'm going to add a couple of these lined ones here. Just to add a little more interest. These boxes, they have some lined bottoms here. So I'm gonna add those. And I had a really hard time. I actually searched through a bunch of sticker books to see if I could get a good match to that green. It is like a little hard to do, honestly. I found like some stickers like in this Colorful Boxes sticker book, but they were still pretty mint colored. They still weren't quite that shade. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop a few headers in here. I'm gonna stick priority there. And these are from the Bookish sticker book. I'm gonna do that there. And then maybe, let's see, I'm just trying to give it a little bit of balance. Okay, that there to do. And I think on the weekend, I will try to do some reading since my hubby will be home. It's normal when I get a chance to do that kind of thing. And I'm gonna put a couple of, if I can get these out of the sticker book, a couple of these like little bullet flags. Like that. And it's funny, there really wasn't like a lot of that green in the Bookish sticker book. Like there's not a lot of like coordinating green, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put another little guy right there. Okay, that's it. I told you this was gonna be like a really simple, minimal kind of plan with me. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I think what I might do is, before we wrap this up, I think I'm just gonna add a couple of boxes here and there, but like I think I'm gonna add a box here and a box there. And I think I'll do the same right here. I'll add a couple of boxes. And then I think we're just gonna call this a day. Really simple, but pretty cute. Just 3 colors, really nothing fancy. But I think it's kind of gonna be nice and calm, and we'll see how it goes. I'm probably gonna have a lot of white space this week because we're still indoors quite a bit. And hubby's still working from home, and so there's not a lot going on here right now, but that's okay. It's the silver lining in all this is we get to unwind a little bit and get to slow down our lives a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you joining me on my channel. Please, before you leave, give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe.